Assalamu alaikum. We can take aloe vera plant and propagate a mint plant on it. First of all, you can take aloe vera plant and remove the old dead leaves. Now cut the dead portion of the aloe vera plant. Also cut the leaves, small pieces. Remove the dirty and old dead portion of the leaf. Cut all the leaves into small pieces. Now this is aloe vera plant is ready for it. Now take mint plants and remove the extra leaves, but one thing should important, don't cut the buds. Now this is ready, cuttings are ready. Take many cuttings after removing the extra leaves. Yes, these are cuttings are ready. Now add all cuttings into the aloe vera plant. Look at this, I add many branches of mint into the aloe vera plant. Now this is ready. Now take a pot and filled with soil which is contain a mineral nutrients. Now take the aloe vera plant and add into the soil. Adjust with adding another type of another soil. Now this is ready, and add water into the plant. Look at this. After few days of 2 weeks, about 1 month, and the mint plant propagated. Look at this. All seedlings, all the cuttings which I add into the aloe vera plant are germinated and show growth. So this is the easiest and cheap method. You can germinate, you can propagate different types of plant at home. Look at this, mint plant is ready, so you can take it. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.